You meet a lot of people here. It's a lot of fun. I enjoy it. Me with friends. I like coming here because people are nice to me. The people are great here.
Looking at every individual as a whole person, I think has really meant a lot to us, so that no matter how different the abilities of the individual are, it's really impacted not just LJ's life, but our entire family.
Everybody is so sweet, and everybody loves us.
Everybody is valued here. Diversity is valued. You can be assured and comforted to know that your little person is going to enjoy themselves and be embraced and have fun and learn and make connections.
To me, it feels like home here.
I learned a lot about the different activities and stuff like that. Anybody can really sign up. If you guys want to involve your kids, they'd accept you. When I come to the JCC, it makes me feel happy. Sign up, and it's really fun, and I love it, and I think you'd like it too.